I'm here mid Sweden, close to the border with Norway, and I found two cairns. Two cairns here, one here, one there. And the amazing story of these cairns, they are shaped like a bowl. So they are not hills, they are bowls inside. Two. So the question is, what's the purpose of those two cairns? Are they graves? Some people believe they are graves. I think they are the gates to another realm, to another world. A world we try to communicate with. And it's very funny because they are shaped in a bowl, and I think as a communicator, I think that's to look for signals from somewhere into space, perhaps. And what's very funny, when you look there, you see two modern bowls. I hope you can see them. It's a little bit hazy, but hope you can see them. Also, two bowls in the shape of a bowl. Also, two bowls searching for signals from out somewhere, searching for signs of life. Isn't that amazing? Two modern bowls, two ancient bowls at the same place. Nowadays we are looking into space, and in the ancient times, the story goes, these are cairns, they are gates or gateways to the underworld where the death lives. And some years ago, last time I was here together with my wife, we were sitting there to that cairn, and then I saw a snake, this black snake, crawling under the rocks. And the snake is also known as a gatekeeper. The line of two worlds. So this is a border between two worlds. Yeah, I truly believe in that. Yeah. These two cairns are protected by the Texas, known as the sacred tree, to protect against the underworld. Or in the past, this area was a very important trade center. So maybe they light some fires in the bowls for the direction, as a beacon for all the ships, because there are signs, there are carvings in the rocks, a lot of ships and boats and animals and people and tribes and lots of stories, and we can only guess if we are reading the story in the proper way.